So I'm really excited. This is my first time really taking a look into a real wig. And I only say real because I've had about maybe 2 or 3 really curly, big synthetic wigs, but most of them were half wigs that I really wouldn't wear because I didn't really know how to wear them. And so this is my first experience with a real like human hair wig that I'm super excited about, and I cannot wait to actually put on and wear. And I'm sorry, I have a cold, so excuse the voice. The wig is from Vivi, and it comes in this cute little box, and I haven't opened it yet because I want this to be a true first impression. I'm super excited about it. And it comes pretty wrapping. Oh, okay, so it talks about how you can even return it. That's really good. I've never heard about that with wigs, being able to return it if you don't like it. And so I see that it comes with, it actually comes with a wig cap. And then also it comes with 2 clips, and they're actually pretty sturdy. They're not like flimsy, so that's good. And then of course the wig. I'm so excited. So good, and it smells good. I don't know if all wigs come smelling good, but this one smells really good. So it has this net around it. Just gonna take that off. And this hair feels incredible. It's super soft. So this is one of the fake scalp wigs. So you can see that the wig cap is already in there. And it comes with clips on the side. And then it also has a clip in the back, right here. But then it also comes with this bra strap like band. And once again, I've never had an experience with a real wig before, so I've never used this band, but I often heard that they're good. But I've never seen it be like a bra strap, like you can adjust it like just like a bra. That's pretty cool. And here is where they're supposed to shine. It looks like the knots are bleached. And the hairline is pretty. It looks like it's pretty nice. It comes down here. So I'm excited. So we're gonna try it on. I'm going to take off my wrap. I'm so excited. So I already have my hair braided to the back. I'm just gonna plop this on. I'm so excited and nervous at the same time. I don't even know why I'm nervous, but it's just, I don't know, a new experience, I guess. I don't think I did that right. It looks pretty. So let me tell you one of my fears, and I don't know if this is a fear with other people who may have like experienced wigs before, or even people who are getting into wigs for the first time. But when people have straight hair, a lot of the times I see people with like their hair will be like out here, and I know when I straighten my hair is not that thick to where it looks that full. So I'm in love with this because this looks like it could be like the actual density of my hair. So I'm super excited about that. And oh, so that's what happened. The lace kind of tucked in a little bit. It's okay. But look at the hairline. Like it already looks so nice. Oh, I'm in love. Okay, and you can part this different ways. You just have to, like, I know they say you have to mold it, kind of, because your hair is already parted in the center, so that's where it wants to part. But you can part it different ways. But we'll keep it in the middle for now. I'm so excited. I need to cut off the lace because I'm gonna definitely keep it. And I've seen people cut the lace on their head, like have it here and then like clip it back like this and cut it like while the wig is on their head. I don't have that much confidence in myself, especially with this being my first one, and I do not want to mess it up at all. So I'm going to cut it off of my head, and this is a glueless cap, so you don't have to have glue. I have seen people still use glue, but you don't have to because it lays pretty flat with this band. And so I'm not going to use any glue unless I want some baby hairs, which will come later on. It won't be right now, but this hair feels amazing. I mean, of course, if you touch it, you can feel it's a wig, but like the actual construction of the cap. But if somebody came past like, girl, they would be like, oh, your hair's silky. I'd be like, I know, back up, don't touch my hair. Okay, let me cut off the rest of this lace. Pray for me, because I don't really know what I'm doing, so pray for me. I did the best that I could with the lace. I feel like I got really close. So let's see how this does. I'm terrible at this. I think this is how it goes, I'm pretty sure. Okay. You can't tip. I'm looking at myself. Me, Dorese. I'm looking at myself, and you can't tell me this ain't my hair. What'd you say? Can I even do this? Oh, look at that. What? What'd you say? Me? Oh no, this is mine. Acting up will be me. I can't. So let me try to do it like the professionals do. So I want it to be straight. And at one point, I might add a little wave to it, but for now, I just want it to be straight. And it's already pretty straight. I just want to be cute. Ooh. Okay. It was like one pass. So the application of this, while I'm straightening my hair, the application of this took, I mean, because I'm not going to be cutting the lace every day, because once the lace is cut, it's cut. But it took all of 2 minutes. Not even that. I don't even know how. 2 minutes, no. Like 2 seconds. All you do is flap it on. Make sure it's where you want it to be. And then you can go. Because I don't have to worry about any glue for now. I'm not worried about letting any baby hairs for now. So it's just as simple as putting it on, which is extremely easy. And because it's no wig cap, you don't have to worry about anything. Now in the future, I probably will put a wig cap on, because the fake scalp is just in the I'm sorry, I caught a glimpse of all the straights. So the wig cap, the fake scalp, is just in the front here, and I do want all of this to be protected. So I probably would put on a wig cap if I was doing something, but even then you still don't have to worry about lining it up with the wig cap because the cap is already in the front, and more than likely my cap will be pushed back so that the real cap can do what it's supposed to do. I'm sorry, I keep trying to say stuff, but do you see this? Do you see what happened? And now I'm just going over this just because it's cute. I don't even need to. I did get a light cap because my scalp is light, but this is pretty light, so I might put like a little bit of concealer right here. Just a trick I learned from the girls. But other than that, nothing else is needed. And that even in itself isn't really needed. It's just like a nitpicky thing. But like I will go to the grocery store right now like, let me get my purse. Let's go. Like, I could go right now. Let me calm down. And I really, like, I'm excited about this, being able to have like a part anywhere. Being able to like part it on the side and then having this like swoop right here. Cause when I have that, this swoop, this once again is my hair, and it happened to come from a hair company called Vivi, but they just helped me out a little bit. So once I got it, it became mine. So this is Dorese. If you need a little help too, Vivi will hook you up. And this one is called, I think it's called Kylie. And I think that it's 10 inches. So once again, it's not too long. It's not, and I probably should have wore a different color so you could really see where it falls. But here's where it is. This is it, and I am so excited. I feel like a lot of people often say like the way they were able to grow out their hair was wearing wigs and wearing protective styles, and I always wear protective styles, but for some reason I get the growth and it breaks back off, and I know that that's because sometimes in the past I've over manipulated my hair. But with this, I feel like it's going to be so easy to maintain because my hair is literally braided. So I'm not rushing to try to find hair. I'm not rushing to try to find like, okay, does this match? Does this not match? Well, what can I do with it? Do I want to do like faux locks? Do I want to do twists? Do I want to do braids? Like, what do I want to do? This goes right on. And if you need to revamp it, you can part it a different way, curl it a little bit. So I'm praying that this will really help me out on my hair journey. Plus, I am a mom and a wife, so sometimes you just don't have time to think about things. Like, you just need to hurry up and go. So if I can just plop this on my head and go, especially on vacation, just put, and be cute, instantly cute. Just get ready. Get ready. But this is super cute. I'm super excited. I definitely feel like I will be going to Vivi again because they did that, and this hair smells so good. It doesn't smell like chemicals. It just smells like a nice shampoo or something. It smells really good. But I'm enjoying it. So let me go and enjoy my hair. I'll talk to y'all later on. If you have any questions or any comments, put them in the description bar below. Talk to me, let me know. And until next time, bye.